Hello, first grade. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020, and this is your math lesson for today, lesson 10.6. We're going to be making tally charts today. Let's go ahead and put our name on our paper first thing, and then we're going to review some things about tally marks. Remember to write your date. It's going to be 5 for May, 11 for the 11th day, and it's the year 2020. All right, as you get your name on your lesson papers, let's review some of the things that we already know about tally marks. When I'm making tally marks, every line represents 1, doesn't it? So if I had the number 1, it would look like this. The number 2 would look like that. The number 3, number 4 would look like that. But number 5 looks a little bit different. Number 5, I draw 1, 2, 3, 4 with a line across making 5. So anytime I say 5, I have to put that 5th strike or that 5th line diagonal. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. If I were to have the number 10, it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I could easily look at my tally marks, and let's count by 5s. 5, 10. Good job. One more time. 5, 10. Excellent. Let's read our lesson today together. Make tally charts. Essential question. Why is a tally chart a good way to show information that you have collected? Well, let's go ahead and do our lesson, and then I'm going to ask you, why are tallies a good idea? Here we go. Complete the tally chart. What's the name of our chart, friends? Our favorite game. The end column is the total number of tallies that we counted. Let's read what kind of games were voted on. What's the first kind of game? Card game. The next kind of game is a puzzle. And the last game, board game. How many tally marks or votes did card game get? We know that is 5, right? We said that. We can easily, without even counting, we know. The puzzle got how many votes? 3, good. And the board game got how many? Let's count by 5s. 5, 10. Read with me, please. Use the tally chart to answer the question. Which game did the most children choose? Circle. Yes, the board game, good. Which game did the fewest children choose? Fewest means the smallest number. Good, the puzzle. All right, friends, let's flip it over. Please read with me. How can you make a tally chart to show the boats at the lake? Decide if each boat has a sail. So the name of the boat or the name of the graph is boats at the lake. Our totals here at the end. Boats with sails, boats without a sail. So let's count the boats with sails here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So let's write 1, 2, 3. And then we write the number 3 in the last column. Now let's go on to boats without sails. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no! I missed a sail. Mrs. Trana, there's 4. Eek! Excuse me. First grade. All right, now let's go back. Boats without a sail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, are you ready to go? Remember, when we get to 5, we have to cross that 5th one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Use the picture to complete the tally chart. Then answer each question. What's the name of our graph? Good. Our totals over here. What are the 2 kinds of fish we have? We have zebrafish, angelfish. All right, let's count the zebrafish first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count angelfish. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's answer our questions now. How many zebrafish are in the tank? Number 2, how many more zebra than angelfish are there? How many more? Let's start at 3 and then count on, okay? Say 3, 4, 5. How many more? We'd say 2 more. Say it again. Say 3, 4, 5. There are 2 more. How many zebra and angelfish are in the tank? So we have to add these 2 numbers. What's 5 plus 3? If you said 8, you're correct. I counted it like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, moving on. Let's go to page 435. Say it with me. 435. On your own. Read it with me, friends. Which of these snacks do most children like the best? Ask 10 friends. Make 1 tally mark for each child's answer. Our favorite snack. Remember to put the totals here and the tally marks in the middle. What 3 snacks do we have? Read it with me. Pretzel, apple, yogurt. Good. Since we're not at school and we can't ask 10 friends, I'm going to give you some fake numbers. Here we go. 4 kids liked pretzel. Let's write 4. 5 people liked apple. 1 person likes yogurt. Use the tally chart to answer each question. How many children chose pretzel? Good. Number 5. How many children chose yogurt? 1. Number 6. Read it with me. Which snack do most children like best? Good. 5 is the largest number. We're going to cross out the hot problem. Now, number 8, it says, write your own question about the tally chart. Friends, looking at your tally chart, I'd like you to ask a question about the tally chart. What's a question you could ask about this graph? You can write any question you want. The question I'm going to say is, how many kids voted in all? How many kids voted in all? Now, to find that answer, they're going to have to add all 3 numbers, aren't they? So I'm going to make a 5, and then I'm going to do 5. What's 5 plus 5? 10. That's the best way, I think, to quickly add those 3 votes. Make a 5 with 4 plus 1, and then add that other 5. 5 and 5 is 10. Go ahead and finish writing your question. It can be like teachers, or you can make your own question. All right, let's flip it like a pancake. And the back, I would like you to do on your own problem solving. We're not going to do the hot problem, but I'd like you to do this 9 and 10 on your own first grade, okay? The girl's name is Jenna. She's asked 10 friends to choose their favorite subject. She will ask 10 more children. So here she's asked, what's your favorite school subject? Math, reading, or science? This word here is predict. That means guess. Predict. Guess. Okay? Predict means you're making a guess. So I would go ahead and write the totals here and then make 2 guesses. Okay? And then we have our test prep at the bottom. Have Mom and Dad check this back page when you're done, and good luck. I love you. We'll see you later.